Alright, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning how to make kali mirchi chicken. So you need one whole chicken, a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 to 3 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, half a teaspoon of garam masala, cilantro and green chilies, and two big onions cut up, thinly sliced. So what I did is I already marinated my chicken. It's better to marinate it like at least 30 minutes to an hour before you cook it. So now let's start. We're gonna heat up some oil. I use like less than half a cup of oil. I'm gonna fry these onions until it's golden. So I'm gonna start frying these onions. If you're short on time and you cannot marinate for 30 minutes, it's okay. You could just make it right away. You don't have to wait until 30 minutes. So I'm gonna fry my onion on a high heat. The onions are actually starting to get a little bit brown. Oh yeah, and if you need more gravy, you could add another another onion to it. But if you add too much onion, it will give you the sweet taste. So 2 large onions should be good. But if you prefer more gravy, then add a little bit more onion. Then add some green chili too, or black pepper to your chicken. You see, the onions is ready. Now I'm gonna add the marinated chicken that I marinated with black pepper, garlic, ginger paste, and salt and haldi. So let me get that chicken. Let's saute this for a little bit. I'm gonna add some 1/4 cup of water to this and close the lid and let the chicken cook until until the chicken is fully done. So let me get some water and add this to this. I added 1/4 cup of water to this. Cover the pan and put it on the medium. So I'm just checking to see if I have enough water. It's always good to check so it won't burn. Yeah, still have some water, and the chicken is not done yet. It needs a few more minutes. So what I'm gonna do is add the green chilies. I had about 4 cut into. I'm gonna add that and a few leaves of cilantro so it smells good. Now I'm gonna cover it and let this cook again. Now I just opened the lid and chicken looks like it's almost done, and I got some water left, so I'm gonna let that dry it up. So I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of garam masala. I make my own fresh garam masala at home. I don't buy the store ones. But if you want, you could use that one too. That's fine. It's already smelling so good. All right. I'm gonna put the stove on the meat high and add some cilantro to it that we saved. I love cilantro, especially in the Indian curries and stuff. It smells so good. It makes food like smelling really good. You can see I'm gonna saute this a little bit more, but it's almost done. Alright everyone, the kali mirchi chicken is ready. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Enjoy your kali mirchi chicken.